So your smart view is not working on S24 Ultra. These fixes apply to both a Windows or TV. So first, swipe down from the top twice and tap into Smart View. For your other device to show up, your TV has to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your S24 Ultra. So connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi and turn off mobile data. Now that's a simple fix for the TV. On Windows, it's a little bit of a process. So we're going to start by searching for and opening the Windows settings. We are then going to click Find a Setting, and we're going to search for Projection. You will see Projection Settings. Tap into this one, and if it gives you an option to turn on projecting to this TV, just click Always Off and switch it to on. But we see Add the wireless display optional feature to project to this PC. So we have extra steps. We're first going to click on Optional Features. Then we see Add an optional feature. Click View Features. Now search Wireless, and we see the wireless display. Click on this one and then click Next. Click Install, and this may take up to 10 minutes. Patiently wait for this to install. Once wireless display has been installed, we're going to search for Projection Settings again. And now we see Always Off. Click this one and set it to Available Everywhere. Now we're going to get our S24 Ultra, and immediately the Smart View shows up. Tap Mirror Screen, Start Now, and it should connect. You will see this message here. Saunders S24 Ultra tempting. Click OK, and it's about to project. Smash like for this. There was no videos on YouTube.